students, how are you all? Fine. Take out your English book number 1. We will continue the exercise of chapter 12, that is why should I listen. इसका हम exercise को continue करेंगे. In previous class, I have discussed choose the correct answer, complete this sentence, true, false and question answers. Now we will continue. Open at page 104. E. Fill in the blanks with chapter words. You have to complete the sentences with the following words, and these sentences are from your book itself. Words are cross, upset, stir, instructions and pavement. First sentence is, I look to the right, then left and then right again to cross the road. मैं पहले राइट में देखती हूँ, फिर लेफ्ट में देखती हूँ, फिर राइट आती हूँ, उसके बाद में मैं क्रॉस करती हूँ. सो आंसर ऑफ ई फर्स्ट इज क्रॉस. सेकंड, वी शुड वॉक ऑन द, हमको किस में चलना चाहिए? पेवमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड फुटपाथ. वी मस्ट नॉट डैश एट फॉरेनर्स, हमको फॉरेनर्स को स्टेयर नहीं करना चाहिए, घूर घूर के हमको नहीं देखना चाहिए. दे आर ऑल्सो ह्यूमन बींग्स. सो आंसर ऑफ थर्ड इज स्टेयर. आई रीड द डैश गिवन ऑन टॉप ऑफ द टेस्ट पेपर. टेस्ट पेपर के सबसे ऊपर में मैंने क्या लिखा है वो पढ़ा था, इंस्ट्रक्शंस. आई रीड द इंस्ट्रक्शंस गिवन ऑन टॉप ऑफ द test paper. So write your instructions. Instructions. I was dash and my friend fought with me. I was upset. जब मेरी फ्रेंड मुझसे लड़ी थी तो मैं अपसेट हो गया था. So write here upset. Now pronunciation. Pronunciation means उच्चारण. Some words have silent letters. In this sentence, the letter K and W are silent. For example, no. K and O W, no. Here K is silent and W is silent. These are silent letters word. Okay. Now another is bomb. You don't say bomb, you say bomb. Scent, scent, you S is silent. Circle the silent letters. Bomb ka B is silent, scent S is silent. Sandwich, 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 D silent. Sign, G silent. School, school, C is silent. No, K is silent, W is silent. Autumn, N is silent. Right, W is silent. Biscuit, U is silent. Castle, S is silent. Okay, castle, you will not say castle, you will say castle. T is silent. Okay, now what do you mean? What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, either with full stop or with question mark or with exclamatory sign. Okay, a complete sentence contains a subject, object and a verb. In a without verb, sentence is incomplete. Okay, I am a boy, I am a girl. Am is what? Verb. He is a good boy. Is what? Verb. So in English grammar, without verb there is, the sentence is incomplete. That the sentence is not correct. It is incorrect. Okay. Now G, page number 105. Complete these sentences yourself. आपको ये अपने मन से करना है. I will explain you, but you will not write the sentences which I am explaining you. We went. We went to market, we went to school, we went to picnic. W capital and after completing sentence full stop. I told my friend that he is very lazy. मैंने अपने दोस्त को बताया कि तुम बहुत lazy हो. I will learn English from my uncle. English is capital. I will show magic to Ram. Ram R capital and after completing sentence put full stop. I think this year my friend will come first in the class. Understood? Now say these sentences. Speaking skill आपका बढ़ेगा इससे. I listen because it keeps me out of danger and trouble. I listen to the advice and not to do it. I listen to know new things. I listen to know. आप क्यों सुनते हो ये सारा बताया गया. I listen to know new words. मैं क्यों सुनते हो? क्योंकि मुझे नए नए शब्द मालूम है. I listen to know new things. मुझे नए नए शब्द जानने की इच्छा रहती है इसलिए मैं सुनती हूँ. I listen to show that I am polite and obedient. मैं इसलिए सुनती हूँ कि ताकि सबको पता लगे कि मैं पोलाइट हूँ और मैं आज्ञाकारी हूँ. I listen so that I may know the right directions to do something. मैं इसलिए सुनती हूँ क्योंकि कोई भी कार्य करने के लिए सही दिशा में करना है इसलिए मैं सुनती हूँ. I listen because it keeps me out of danger and trouble. मैं इसलिए सुनती हूँ कि कोई भी मेरे को उस पर आपदा नहीं आ सकती, नहीं मेरे को उससे कोई परेशानी होगी इसलिए मैं ध्यानपूर्वक सुनती हूँ. Now turn your page. Why is it important for you to listen to your parents, teachers, brothers, sisters or friends? Give examples. Yes, this question you have to write in your notebook. I will not give you hint. You have to write with your own. इसका क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग बस हम समझा दे रहे हैं. Why is it important for you? तुम्हारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है? तुम पेरेंट्स का क्यों सुनते हो? या तो पेरेंट्स का या टीचर्स या ब्रदर या सिस्टर और फ्रेंड्स, किसी एक का भी आपको लिखना विथ एग्जाम्पल्स. ओके. Now decorate these posters of do's and don'ts. Look at the person who is talking. Ask questions later. Yes, you can do this. Okay, this fun time. Now my homework is that you have to do question number G and I in your copy. G, I and J in your copy. And J is your homework. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.